Hey, long time no us. So I have like super exciting news for the vlog. We have added onto our house, which is like the first time we've ever added onto any house or anything, but we really like where we live, but we just need more space. So we added on like a cool little sunroom, but we'll use it as a workout room. And then of course toy storage, because you know, we have tons of toys. So check it out, ta-da, hey, look at this cute little girl. And also, yeah, you wanna, oh no. I pre-opened these a little bit. Ava really wants to open up the new 5 Surprise mini brands. These are awesome, they're great for like your dolls. So if you're like Shoppies dolls or Barbie, here, you can open it. And here, wait, you just kind of open that really quick. I'll show off this room really quick so you can see there's windows. I'll give a better tour here in a second when she's done opening up some of your toys. So I got these in the mail from Zuru, so huge thank you to them. And oh, more peanut butter. So we opened up a couple. We're like, we like the peanut butter. This is like perfect for dolls though. That's really cute. But I got these in the office, so I brought them home for Ava. Oh, that's new. Oh, is it like popsicles?
Yeah.
Oh, like ice
Chocolate
popsicles. That's cool. And it almost like feels like the box is full too. That's really cool. These are cool. Okay. Let's see what else you got. Oh, is that another one?
I think this is cake.
Oh, moon pies. It's kind of like a Hostess. That's cool. Okay, so that's number 3.
All these.
Yeah. Our little collector sheet. Oh, Dove. Okay, I think we have this one, right? Do we have this?
Yeah.
We opened up some for Instagram. So if you haven't followed us on Instagram, it's just the handle Disney car toys. What did you get? Oh, shaving cream. It's like girly shaving cream. We have the boyish one, and then we have the more girly-ish one. You can use either though, it's all kind of the same. That's cool, I like the pink, that's pretty. Hey, let's open that in 1 second. Let me show off this room. Can you help me show off the room? So we honestly tried, like ordered this room. It's like just prefab, kind of like not RV, the prefab home that it's like not exactly real walls. I don't know if you can, it's like, you know, but it's kind of like a real wall. But then we have, this was a patio. So it's basically like a sunroom covered patio. And there's a living room. Here's our like mother-in-law bedroom. But the nice thing is like, for when my mother-in-law seriously comes over to visit, you know, they have this area they can sleep, they have their own kitchen, bathroom. Here's our toy room. So here's like our cars wall. So, but this, we're going to store some of our toys, but then also Mike, he rides his bicycle. So he does like triathlons. Oh, do you mark it off already?
Yeah.
That's really good. Thanks for doing that. We'll open the other one in 1 sec. So Mike, he does Ironmans and triathlons, but it's really dangerous to ride a road bike in the street. Like, I feel like it's not like if you're gonna get hit by a car, but when. So he bikes a lot in our garage, but it's not air conditioned, and it's kind of like dark and, you know, it's a bike in a garage. So now he can bike here, and you can have a nice view of all of our toys in the backyard. Do you want to turn off the AC, or turn on the AC for me? So use the white remote. So this is kind of nice because you have windows, so we have all the windows open. So yeah, press that button and then point it that way. Yep, there we go. So you can see it's blowing in the wind. There we go. And then we wanted a fan in here too, and this is a light. You can see it's a light and fan. Oopsie. And there's the keys, yeah. But I didn't want like this huge fan that would take up a lot of space, because once you have a treadmill in here, the ceilings aren't that tall. So I just did this little fan in here. It's gonna be loud, but it's kind of cool. I've never ever seen a fan like this before, that it's like this fan on the inside and then the outside is light. It's really cool looking, honestly. And then we used to have this really old, our house is 30 years old, so this really old light here up there, and we switched out this light. So actually I'll turn it on. So you gotta go back inside, but it's just such a fun room. Like it's like an inside, here we go, inside outside room. Yeah, there you go. So the cool thing is it lights up both the top and bottom. So I feel like with both these lights, we should have a good amount of light in here. And then you have the outside lights. But literally it was pretty cheap to get this. It's like way cheaper to get a sunroom installed than like actual real walls installed. But the nice thing is they put in outlets. We have the AC unit, and it cools down pretty quick in here with AC. Do you like the AC? Yeah, here, let me feel. Yeah, it feels really nice. Yeah, it feels really nice. And I'll show it from the backyard too, so hold on. This door is really nice. There we go. And, whoo. There we go. Let all that AC out. But the cool thing is our house came with 2 patios. So we have that patio right here, and then we still have a patio. So we just, one less patio, one more sunroom. I think it's great. I hope it adds value to the home. We'll see. But it looks pretty cool. We gotta like figure out how to fix, I don't know, that doesn't look good. But we'll try to make it look better. But overall, I think this is really cool. So I'm excited about it. Do you want to open that? Yeah. Let's, do you want to go do on the swing or back inside? Back inside? Okay. Ooh, we got to add a step or sidewalk here because like walking on the rocks, not fun. Okay. Coolness. Okay. Go ahead. Let's see. I'm wondering if we're gonna get another peanut butter. What do we get? Oh, a soy sauce. Yeah, you like it? I like it because it's a big one. It's a pretty big. What did you get? Oh, a basket. Yeah, that's cool. So I'll help you build it. Here, if you put it down there, I'll help you build it. Yeah. These are so fun. I wish they had these when I was a kid. I would have definitely like used it for a Barbie grocery store. And I actually have a Barbie grocery store, so that'd be awesome. We'll use that. Sweet. I'm excited. Oh, what's this? I don't think we have this. Oh, is it like, oh, men's care. A little shampoo. That's cool. Yeah, we don't have this yet. This feels really sturdy too. Oh, a peanut butter. I knew it. Our Barbie store is going to be selling a lot of peanut butter. Oh, and more Smarties. Cool. So it was funny this morning, baby Adam found this in Ava's dollhouse. And he's like, candy, open it, open it. And I'm like, no, it's just like Barbie candy. Like, it's doll candy. You can't actually eat that. But it was really funny. There we go. Oh yeah, and you can mark it all off. Yeah. No, that's great. So I'm trying to think of what else I can show in here. If there's anything else special that would be kind of cool to show off. But yeah, nice windows. And overall, like, really awesome. I'm glad we did it. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would. And it's way cheaper to do this than to like add a real room. Oh, also we're gonna put new flooring in here eventually, but we just haven't figured out what exactly we want yet. But it looks really nice. You can mark it all off? Good. Oh, perfect. That looks really good, thank you. So I'm in my running outfit. We got cute little Ava here, and we got this really awesome Lion King box from Hasbro. They've been sending us cool Disney boxes lately, like the Aladdin one with the dolls.
Yeah.
And now this, do you have any idea what it is?
No.
No idea? You didn't peek? I put it inside. I said, don't peek. I gotta clean the garage. And then, here, do you wanna open it? The box looks really awesome. Oh my gosh! Is that so cool?
Yeah.
Aw, it's like the big tiger that we have, but this looks like, is it Simba? Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. Oh, the bugs, just like the movie. Oh, that is cute. Yeah, it looks like a real lion. Aw, Mighty Roar Simba. Yeah, because we had the tigers. We have, I think it's Tyler. So it's a FurReal 100 sounds. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, it says Hakuna Matata. Probably roars. That's cute. Do you want a pet kitty?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so cute. All right, let's see the back of the box. This boy is cute. I think baby Adam would like this a lot. Oh, you can cuddle it. Slimy yet satisfying. And then roars. Aw, that's super cute. Okay, let's open it up. That's way awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? And this box is like really pretty too. Sweet. There we go. We still need to put batteries in it, but here. No, he ate it. Hey, wait, don't be scary with it. Hey, buddy, come here. Hey, come here. It's not scary. It's a good lion. Look. Wait, don't make scary sounds. Be like meow, meow. Meow, meow.
No.
He's kind of afraid of stuffed animals lately.
No.
Hey, come here. Hey. Okay, just play with your Cookie Monsters. Yeah, he looks really soft.
This Cookie Monster stuffed animal.
Aww. It's cute. Okay, let's get you some batteries. Look how cute its face is. Looks really good. Here we go.
Yeah, when I'm king, I'm gonna do whatever I want.
He sounds exactly like Simba, like Jonathan Taylor Thomas, the voice actor from the original movie. Look at you. I actually really like this even more than the Tiger Tyler, just because he talks, you know, where the other one like is a little more kitty-like, where this is a little more boy. So you like it now? You like it now, huh? It's so cuddly. So I'll read the instructions. But yeah, you can definitely pet its head.
Just pet it.
Yeah.
It's like a real animal.
Yeah.
It's perfectly.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, look.
It's animatronic.
Yeah, there you go. You like it now, buddy?
He's like a puppy, but he's a tot. He's a tot king.
Yeah, this is better than a puppy.
Yeah, he can talk so we can understand him.
Yeah, so you know what he's saying. Okay, hey, come here.
So this is what I get. This is what a lion.
Whoa, what's wrong? Hey, whoa, calm down. Do you want it? Okay, he wants to pet it on its own. Hold on. We'll let you pet him. He's like, I sit in your lap. That's hilarious. Are you afraid of his tail a little bit? That's so cute. Some food for you. Who wants to eat Cookie Monster? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
Satisfying.
You said it tasted like something. Here, let's see if he likes Elmo.
That's the best thing I've heard all day.
Okay.
No. Here, let's put it inside.
Wait. Did you like it?
You gotta be kidding me.
He said, you gotta be kidding me. That's hilarious. Aw, so cute.
Wow.
A Cookie Monster and an animal.
Yay!
Oh, this is like a wolf.
Some bikes. Hakuna Matata.
No worries.
I know it's hot out here, buddy. Do you want to go inside? We're just feeding him some grub.
King.
You want to try?
No.
Okay, you can sit in my lap. That's so cute. Yeah, he's funny. Let's take him inside. It's hot.
Yeah.
We've been working on these cool little workbooks for the summer. Just so then like there is like a summer slide, they call it, you know, where you kind of forget what you learned in kindergarten, first grade. Yeah, perfect. And then a period at the end. So these are cool too because they come with like a little map that with stickers. So we'll do the stickers once you're done. But yeah, summer brain quest. So between kindergarten and first grade, that's you. So we're writing about the desert. What else do you know about the desert? So we know it's hot.
The desert has cactuses.
Yeah, or cacti. So the desert has, and I'll help you spell cactuses. Or cacti. Sorry, I shouldn't say. Okay, so desert. Yeah, good job with your spacing there. And then Alex has one. I think it's on the counter. Let me see. Yeah, here it is. So, yeah. And then has. So sound that out. So this is one for Alex. He's in 3rd grade going on 4th, but he's really smart, so I got a grade up. Yeah, has. Yep, good job. And then cacti. C-A.
C-A.
C-T-I.
T-I.
And then period. So do you think in the desert, do you think it rains a lot? Do you think it snows a lot? It's sunny a lot?
Sunny.
Yeah, so maybe say it is sunny.
It is.
So we're trying to have the kids.
It is.
Yep. And then hey, actually for since it's a new sentence, you always want an uppercase letter. There we go. So like that. So you're good there. So and then is should be little. Yep, you're fine. That looks good. So it is sunny. So what does sunny start with? Yep. Two N's.
So, sun.
And then E for Y. Here's Y.
Yeah.
Sunny. Perfect. And then a period?
Another period.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Let's see, maybe one more thing about the desert. What kind of animals maybe do they have?
The desert has
Do you know any animals?
lions.
Lions? Well, that's more like the safari. How about like maybe like coyotes or birds?
No.
Woodpeckers? No, not woodpecker. Roadrunners.
No.
Spiders.
No.
Javelinas.
No. Iguanas.
Oh, yeah, you could do a lizard probably.
Okay.
So it has
Oh yeah.
and a capitalized. And then lizards, probably a new line because of the big one. L.
L.
I. What sound is I?
I.
Z. 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 A.
Okay.
R. D. 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 S. Perfect, and period. And you're done. Yay, good job. And that should be enough for today because we did a lot.
How much did you do again?
You did, I think, like 4. So you did level 1. You did this, you did that. This, that. Nah, yeah, you did a lot. Yep. I think you're pretty good. And then we'll do this tomorrow. Okay, that looks fun. Lots of desert learning. It's pretty fun.